What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Metaplanet with the ticker symbol 3350 and MTPLF. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Metaplanet bought more Bitcoin to boost their treasury holdings. They bought about, I think, another 1,000 or so. That brings the total holdings to 8,888 BTC. So that's 4/8 in a row. So right now they're ranked 11th in the Bitcoin holders list, Bitcoin treasuries list. But now they're going to move up to the top 10 spot again, the 10th spot, and they're going to take over Block. They're going to jump in front of Block, and Block's a much larger company. So that's a very good sign. They're very aggressive in the purchasing of Bitcoin recently. So if we go look at their stuff, you can see that, before they would buy maybe like, double digits and then triple. And 3 weeks, 3 times in a row, they bought 4 digits. So, I mean, they're picking up the pace. Like I said before, I think I can see them becoming the number 2 Bitcoin treasury company in the world. It's just like a feeling I have, just how like aggressive they are, kind of similar to MicroStrategy. Because a lot of these other companies aren't really acquiring that aggressively. They're just holding what they have. So GameStop, Metaplanet, they're probably going to continue to move up higher. Take a look at the technicals, though. The most important thing, very bullish looking. Price still wants to move up higher. It's in a very strong trend. It's in a like a short squeeze mode. You see that the trend line is still intact for a while now. We just bounced off of it today. We're probably going to see a new all-time high above 1200, 1240 very shortly. And then most likely we'll see a correction from there, because if you do a measure move target from this low point to this peak, and then you drag it over, same arrow, and you put a horizontal line across the tip of that arrow, that's right around where we're very close to, about 1317. So that's probably where we're going to see a bigger correction or a pause in price. Looks like price finally has reached the target that they were going for. This was the first attempt higher that failed. Price corrected lower. This is the second attempt. Market generally moves in twos. It made a couple attempts at the target. It succeeded. So there's a good chance we probably see at least a correction take place, sideways or lower. So that's what I envision happening for Metaplanet. Let's take a look at MTPLF, see if that shows something else. Daily chart, just looking really bullish. You can see that we did pull back. Now it's ready to move up higher. So more or less of the same thing as 3350. So overall, it looks like it's ready to top out very soon. Again, we could overshoot that target, but I would say it's something to keep an eye on for sure. It's getting overextended, even on this is the log scale. It's getting a little bit overextended for the EMA. We have several green weeks in a row. So it's ready to, potentially come to an end, at least in the short term. Long term, it still looks very bullish. We're still in this long-term uptrend line. Something like this, maybe it's better fitting like that. And this is just probably an overshoot right here, because we did top out here, and now we're right at the top of the channel, right near that measurement target. There's a good chance we see it drop down lower, or at least sideways trading. So I'd say, even though it looks bullish short term, I would say potentially we could be coming up for a short-term top and then a correction lower. But in the future, it does look pretty bright. Very strong trend. Most likely we're going to see a new all-time high eventually. So that's all I have for Metaplanet on the daily and weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.